Okay, we are with the SP410 sprayer here. We're just going to go over how to, the procedures on how to fill the product tank with product. First of all, we're going to obviously connect your hose, 3-inch coupler hose from the feeding pump. You're going to open your manual valve, and then we're going to move over to the little display over here. Okay, so from this little display, we're going to open our main sump, which is going to be this button over here. If you push that, you can see our main tank sump is open now. So now you can either use an external pump and just pump product into the tank, or you can use the sprayer's pump by activating that. Just push that button, and now we will be sucking from the tanks. So on the small display here, that's basically your flow meter. So while you're filling your tank, it will show you how much product is going into the tank. So if you only wanted to add a certain amount, you can see how much you got in, and you can stop it when you reach the limit that you wanted. Well, thank you for your time for watching this on the SP410 sprayer on the filling. And if you want more details, please take a look at our website.